Hello, namaste. How are you? I'm Nitya from Surya Chandra Yoga International, and just want to cordially invite you to our open house on this Thursday, July 9th. It's going to happen virtually from 7 to 8 p.m. through the studio at Three Elements. And before the open house, we're going to have a free live yin and Reiki yoga class. So please come and join us for that. You can also get the link for that from the studio at Three Elements, or you can direct message me for with any questions or any information that you might be seeking. I'm really very excited to be offering this yoga teacher training course. Again, it's going to be a totally different experience this time because it's going to be virtual instead of in person. However, I do think that it's still going to be as amazing and as potent as it's always been. And we have the most amazing guest lecturers joining us this year. We have Wendy Newton and Peter Furco from Ishta Yoga. We have Satyavandini, Joanna Fanitza teaching the chanting and the bhakti. We have Bharata, Dr. Brian Bourne teaching yoga, anatomy and physiology. And then we have another guest lecturer from Trivandrum in Kerala, India, Radish, who is a Ayurvedic practitioner who's going to join us with some amazing information on Ayurveda, the complete system of health and wellness that has been around in India for over 5,000 years. So this is quite a treat that he'll be joining us as well. We're really looking forward to seeing you. We'll have also some guest yoga teachers teaching some of the classes to you so that you can get an experience of having different teachers and how they teach as well. So please join us. Let us know what it is that you're seeking and how we can accommodate you. Thank you very much. Namaste. See you Thursday.